All right, we are at our property on Greenway Drive in Oklahoma City. It has been vacant since 2020. It was built in 1972. It's in a decent neighborhood, older neighborhood part. The part across the street is vacant, been vacant for a while, but a lot of TLC near one of the airports. Is basically, this is pre-judgment. Current UPB balance is about 195. Legal balance is 215. BPO is at 105. Now the roof looks good. Needs a little bit of work here in the edge, cosmetic work with some of the stuff. Older HVAC, but it could be a really nice house. It's literally like somebody just disappeared in the house. There is a lot of junk in here, and somebody's been through in here before looking for stuff, but it's not the worst we look for. So coming in here, this is the hallway straight to the back door. Ceramic tile, then you run into laminate flooring, I guess, right? That's ceramic tile maybe. Come over here, you got the laundry room, full washer dryer there. Obviously you can see people looking at clothes, storage there. It's just a lot of junk to haul out of here. This is the garage, two-car garage, converted one side, others into storage, I guess. Yeah, storage. And so this room is back here. Can't tell. Oh, it's an office. Okay. HVAC, all that stuff looks good. It's just the exterior looks kind of rough. We get in the kitchen. Old cabinets, but bigger kitchen. Then you got the kitchen table over here. Off of this, you have a bedroom, master bedroom, I guess. As I said, somebody's been through all the paperwork here. This comes into the master bathroom, shower, closet, vanity. Take this back over here. Family room, I mean, literally. Oh, it's the flag for a funeral home from a veteran. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your service. What's this come to? This comes the other half bath or guest bath. This comes the other bedroom. Come back through the living room. Back door's been kicked in. Door's been nailed shut. Bunch of stuff there. Big satellite, look at that big satellite dish. Solar, it's a decent sized backyard and a solarium there, but just so much junk to pull out of this thing. That's a hard table there. But anyway, decent looking property, just needs a lot of work. So go from there.